Hi, kids. It's so good to see you. Do you want to come play with us? Let's go on an adventure in my Toybox.
Hi, Toybox kids and friends. Today we are going to talk about nature.
Yeah.
And first we have these books that we read about nature. We've read these over the last couple weeks.
Yep.
And let's talk a little bit about what we like about each one.
Yep.
This first one is called Being Frog. Look at that frog.
Oh, it talks about this.
That is how a frog sounds. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
And sometimes they sound like...
You're right. Let me show you my favorite page. This is my favorite page because it shows you the frog egg, the tadpole, and then the tadpole turning into a frog. And did you know that a frog or a tadpole that's not yet a frog is called a froglet? Did you know that?
No.
No. Now you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that frog. It still has a tadpole tail there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's silly, huh? This was a really good book. All right, can you show everybody what page you like in this book called What's Next?
Yes, this is called What's Next.
And this is about the seasons. And we marked what page you like here.
This is my favorite page.
Yes, this is your favorite page. And look, what season does this look like?
Actually, something else is my favorite page.
Look how bright and sunny. Do you know what today is?
It's about to be summer.
Well, today is the first day of spring. Today is Thursday. Today is the best.
In spring, it's my birthday.
Yeah, spring is your birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah, April, huh?
Yeah.
Not quite April yet. And we like this page. And Badger is waking up from hibernation here. Isn't that neat?
Look, all that worm.
Yeah.
Ew. Humans don't like to eat worms.
Yeah. What did we like about this book?
I like that spiders crawl around because they eat flies.
Okay. You like the spiders and because they eat flies?
Yeah, because I don't like flies.
Okay.
Because they actually go in your body, then you have to slap them.
So this is a really good book that talks about seasons, and spring looks really beautiful in this book. And we love spring, huh?
Yeah, we love it.
The next book that we like is called
Sunny.
Sunny. And that's the little girl's name in the book, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you remember what happens in this book?
She flies off with her umbrella.
Yeah, she goes on an adventure. And this was your favorite page. Can you tell me why?
Because she's flying away like a bird. I wish I could fly.
Yeah, she's going on an adventure and she flies away with her umbrella like a bird. That's a pretty cool imagination.
Because I like to fly. I wish I could fly for real.
Now, at the end, though, she kind of gets stuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then she cries.
She gets sad.
Then all the birds come back.
And she gets saved, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like superheroes.
Yeah, and then at the end,
she goes to school.
She goes to school. Now, do you miss going to school?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is Sunny's teacher welcoming her to school. Yeah. He looks a little concerned about the boat and the birds, though. Yeah. Very good. And our last book about nature is called Something for You. And we have a mouse here.
Yeah, he's holding a beautiful flower.
A beautiful flower. Yeah. How many petals does that flower have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good job. Yes, 7 petals. And this book is about a mouse that has a sick friend. And he goes out and he picks flowers and things for the sick person. And you like this first page. Why do you like this first page?
Because I like the cake.
That cake looks delicious, huh?
Yeah.
And there is his sick friend.
Yeah.
He brought a cake for her. Yeah, we hope none of our friends are sick right now, right? Yeah.
Some of my kids that I was at school, they kind of got sick.
Yeah, we miss our friends.
Yeah.
Good. All right, which book was your favorite, do you think, out of these 4?
So I really like the one with the cuties too.
The cuties? All right, so these are our book choices
Cutie.
about nature.
Cutie.
You are
Cutie.
You are a cutie.
Na, 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 na. Hi, Toybox kids again.
Hi, friends. Next, we're going to practice letters and sounds. Underneath this sand, this kinetic sand, kind of looks like mud, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Underneath this, we have letters.
Yeah.
And we have some scoopers here.
Yep.
And we're going to practice scooping it off. And when we find a letter hidden underneath, we're going to say the letter and practice how it sounds. All right, go ahead and get started. Ooh.
I found the letter L.
Yes, you found the letter L. Look at that.
Yeah.
How does L sound?
L.
Good. L. And look, you have a lion there to help. Very good. All right, find your next letter.
I need to take this in here. Okay. Let's.
What letter is this?
K.
Yeah, K. How does K sound? Good. It sounds like a kite. Have you ever flown a kite before?
No.
I know. Maybe we should do that this year.
Yeah.
All right. Find another letter.
But I just need to put this in here.
Oh, yeah. Keep digging.
I'm digging it. Okay, did it.
Okay. Dig another letter.
I just need to scoop this.
You're doing them in an order. Wow. What's that?
J.
J. How does J sound? Good. J. And what's-
Jelly beans.
Yeah, there is a jar of jelly beans. Who has a name that starts with J?
My brother.
Your brother,
Yeah.
Julian. Who else?
Someone in my school.
Yeah, you have a couple J's at your school, don't you? What are their names?
Lincoln.
Lincoln. That's an L. And then who's the J?
Jackson.
You have 2 Jacksons, huh?
Yeah.
And that's their letter. Good. Okay. Let's dig out another one. Oh, good. How about this one?
G.
G. How does G sound?
G.
Whose letter is G? Whose letter is G?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn is B. B.
Let's just start digging more.
Okay, let's just start digging. Whoa, you just uncovered all of them. So let's talk about the letters. What letter is this?
A.
And how does A sound?
A.
It can sound like A or
Pivot.
Pokey. No. And there's that B letter. How does B sound? Yeah.
Bananas.
Yeah, and whose name starts with B? Your classmates.
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Good. What letter is this?
C.
C. And how does C sound? Good.
Like car.
Awesome. And how about this letter? What is this little drawing here showing? A duck. What letter does duck start with?
Me.
What letter does duck start with?
Meat.
No, it starts with a D. You're being silly.
Yeah.
And how about this letter?
And now time for Tyler.
How about E? What does E? Yeah, that's E. What does E sound like? What's this guy?
Elephant.
Elephants. E or good. Who starts with E in your class?
Mom?
Do you have an Ellie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I thought so.
I got Ellie.
And how about this letter? F. And it sounds like that. You're right. Like fish. And who else starts with L? I just thought of somebody. Lillian, right? Yeah. Good. Good job. Should we cover back up your letters?
But right now, as you do that, I am gonna burst. I'm gonna get a lot. Okay. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome, Winnie. Okay, next up is math. Okay, friends, next we are going to do some math. We have these rocks here.
So we can count.
Yeah, we're going to count out 10 rocks.
After we do our lesson, we're gonna play for you.
Yeah. So go ahead and count out 10 rocks and put them on this paper.
1, 2,
2, 3.
Ugh, that one's yucky. 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, keep going. 8, 9, 12.
10.
I'll count to 20 now.
Okay.
13, 14, 15.
Good. All right, let's count how many we have here now that we can see them all. All right, go ahead and point to them and then count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, you're going to point and I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Now your turn to point.
We have 13. So
And now
let's get rid of 3 of them so that we only have 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good, 3. All right, so we're just going to talk about these rocks here, okay? Now, I want you to put the smallest rock right here. Can you do that? That's pretty teeny tiny, huh?
Yeah.
Can you put 2 more small rocks over there? Good. I would say that these are our smallest rocks compared to these rocks. Yeah. Now, which rock is the biggest rock? Can you put the biggest rock on the other side? How about this side so people can see it? Yes, that's the biggest rock. Let's look at this rock a little closer. It almost looks like it almost looks like someone took a bite out of it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But you would never put a rock in your mouth, would you?
Never.
They're not tasty and they would probably hurt your teeth. But look at that. Looks like someone just took a big chomp.
Maybe a giant.
Maybe a giant that has big, strong teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Put the rock over on the side that is red.
Okay.
Can you find the red one? Yeah, why is that one red?
Because I painted.
Yeah, we found this one outside from the summer.
Actually, that's a moon rock.
Yeah, look at the other side. It has a really cool stripe to it.
Yeah.
That's neat. It's smooth, too. And
It's a moon rock.
yeah. Can you find the rock that's made from plastic? Good. Yeah, this rock was from our dinosaur set, and it's made from plastic. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a real rock.
It's like a big bug.
Yeah. All right, well, that's our math lesson for today. Let's see what's next. Hi, friends. Next, we're going to do a fine motor activity. We have these popsicle sticks here, but you could also use sticks from outside or toothpicks or crayons even. And let's go ahead and open these.
They're popsicle sticks.
Yeah, do you like popsicles?
Yeah, I think they're so delicious.
What's your favorite flavor?
Strawberry pickles.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love strawberry pickles. Cause I get that all the time.
Okay, so we have these popsicle sticks. And let's make some shapes out of popsicle sticks.
No, I'm gonna make a shape out of them first.
Okay, how about you make a shape and then I make a shape?
This is gonna be my dad.
You're gonna make your dad's shape?
Yeah. So here's his hair. Here's his eyes.
Whoa, look at that. You look silly. What shape did I make?
A square.
A square.
And here's his
Good.
mouth.
He's not smiling, is he?
Now he's just interested. And I got his beard. His hair's gonna be like this. Like that.
Wow, that's a lot of beard hair.
Yeah, and here's his blah blah.
What shape did I just make?
Whoa.
Whoa, it's a big long shape. What's it called?
A rectangle.
Good, a rectangle. What are you doing to my rectangle?
I'm making it a face.
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, let's make it a smiley face.
Yeah, it's hard to make smiles with straight lines, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look, it's happy.
Oh, it is. Good job. You know what other shapes? Can you make a shape out of 3 of these?
Yeah, I can make a shape. I should ruin my dad.
Okay, now make a shape out of 3.
Look, I made a letter.
You did. You made an L. We can say that L is for Luca, huh?
Look.
Yeah. Now that's 3, but is it a shape?
No.
It's a letter. Now you made U. Now that's 4. Do you want to watch me make a shape out of 3? Look, I made a shape out of 3. What's that shape? You're not impressed by me, are you?
I was making my own.
Okay.
I'm making out of my 4.
Friends, what shape is this?
Wait till you see my awesome bubble.
I think they're going to say triangle. Oh my. Now, do you think it would be easy to make a circle out of lines?
Ma.
What is, did you just say yes?
Yeah. Like mama.
It would be really hard to make a circle out of these popsicle sticks. You'd have to really use a lot. It's easy to draw a circle, huh?
Yeah.
Not so easy when you have to use these popsicle sticks.
And watch
That's
this.
kind of close. Are you making another? I wonder how many shapes your friends can make at home. How many do you think they were able to make? That circle looks angry. That looks angry. Take a breath. Take. You're silly. Hey, guess what's next?
Yeah.
Art class. Are you ready for art class?
I'm ready for kindergarten.
You're ready for kindergarten? Ah, soon enough, girl. All right, next we're going to talk about things that we see and hear on a walk out in nature. And we are going to draw. We are going to draw the things that we hear and see. So go ahead, Winnie. Go ahead and draw something that you see or hear on a walk.
Leaf. Leaf.
A leaf?
A flower.
A leaf and a flower.
It kind of looks like it's waving to someone.
Okay.
And now I'm going to draw the sun.
So a leaf.
And now
A flower. Sun. Not today though, huh?
yeah,
It's raining today.
yeah,
What are those things that you're drawing?
sun and flower.
Yeah, what's the part of the flower you're drawing?
It's purple.
It is purple, but what part of the flower?
Leaf and stem.
Leaf and stem. This is the leaf?
No, these are the petals.
Petals. I like that word stem though. Petals. And a stem.
And the leaves.
Yep. Okay, what's something else that we can see or hear on a walk? How about yesterday? What did we see on our walk yesterday?
That's all the flowers starting to grow. Rain.
Can you draw some rain for me? Oh, that looks like a cloud and rain. Good. So you drew cloud. And
I think kind of colorful.
show everyone how colorful you got. So far we drew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Can you draw 3 more?
Yeah, I'll draw another cloud.
Okay.
So, things holding on so many things.
Wow.
And I will draw a fairy.
A fairy? Did we see a fairy outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
saw a fairy.
Cool. Fairy. We do have a fairy garden outside.
She likes to come in her garden. And she likes plants and onions.
Fairies like onions?
Yeah.
Can you draw an onion? What does an onion look like?
Na 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 na.
Is that how an onion sounds?
Yeah.
Whoa.
She looks like this.
Oh, she's pretty.
Look.
I love it.
She's a garden. Blah, blah.
Garden fairy. All right, draw me an onion right here. I'll let you use my special marker.
Yep.
Right there. I want to see what your onion looks like.
This is kind of new. I've got tomato too.
It's a pretty good onion. Do onions grow underground?
Yep.
Do we have some in our yard?
Yeah.
We do. You're right. An onion with it looks so happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody on the show tomato.
It's also kind of stinky, huh?
Yeah.
Onions are smelly.
This is the stink. These little lines are this onion stink.
Oh. Those are the onion stink smell lines?
Yeah.
That's what smell looks like?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I just really want to drill me.
Okay.
Look.
I love it. That is you. Okay, friends, for our nature art project, we are going to take this leaf and we are going to do a rubbing of it. So what that means is we are going to cover it with paper and hold the paper, and Miss Winnie is going to rub on the outside. Miss Winnie is going to rub on the outside to see if we can see the outline like this. Let me show you. Like this.
Oh, yeah.
Rub like that until we see the outside of the leaf.
Okay. I'll do this.
Oh, I'm starting to see it. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep going.
I'm trying.
So you know how you
And now you
know how you press like this? You can also press like this and make the leaf come out.
Since you are using
And we kind of have a rubbing now of the leaf. You can see all the texture and the veins and the stem on the leaf. Cool. All right. Do you want to do our show and tell next?
I want to play.
Okay, friends, the last thing that we're going to do is show you some things that we found in our yard. What are these?
A carrot?
These are carrots. And
we grew last year.
yeah, we put these in the garden last year and they survived the winter.
Yeah.
Look how little they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, they look like you could probably eat them if we cleaned off all the dirt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we just picked these yesterday. So they survived the winter in our garden.
Yeah, and this one look.
Yeah, sure. Look at that one. It has a big, well, carrots are kind of roots, huh? It has a big one off the end. And then also you have this really cool
Magnifying glass.
yeah, you can see it's like a microscope, kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can put things inside, and then you can look at them. So what's something that's in here?
A worm.
Yeah.
Whoa.
There's the worm right there. It's hiding in the mud. So you put the carrot inside, and then you can look and see. You can see up close that root popping out the side, the dirt, the stem.
Now with the worm.
That's pretty cool. You want to do the worm next?
Yeah.
There he is, underneath the dirt.
Yeah.
Now we should go wash our hands from touching all the worms in the dirt.
Yeah.
And our friends should go wash their hands too, right?
Yeah.
All right, see you next time, friends.
Yep. Come on.
That's Winnie for bye. If you would like to watch more videos like this, please subscribe.